Hello and welcome to the 7th episode of my Morocco, Spain and Portugal vlog series. It's been more than 2 months since I uploaded my previous vlog, so apologies for the long wait. After visiting Cordoba on episode 6, we will now go to Madrid to celebrate the new decade and my birthday. The journey to the Spanish capital took less than 2 hours on the high-speed AVE train. So the countdown happens in Puerto del Sol. Spaniards typically welcome the New Year by eating 12 grapes at midnight. You know what? Watching this video sends chills to my spine as I look back on how hopeful we all were of the new decade, only to find out later that life as we know it would change forever.
Happy New Year! Feliz Nuevo Año! Aquí más Leo Medito! Alright, so we're here in Madrid. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any grapes, but yeah, it's 2020! Yay! People are out on the streets celebrating the new decade. We're currently here at Plaza de Teviles, and behind me is a very famous landmark here in Madrid. It's called the Palacio de Teviles. Here's the thing, I'm currently a bit sad today because my grandma passed away just hours after they celebrated the new decade in the Philippines. And second, I lost my green scarf that I bought from Chile 4 years ago. And yeah, but anyway, since it's the new year, we should be positive and happy. Alright, so let's start this year with a bang and explore Madrid. We're here at the capital of España.
There may be some hilly parts around the city, but the center of Madrid is generally walkable. As someone who loves cities, I was impressed by Madrid's architecture, infrastructure, culture, history, and gastronomy. I found it charming, hip, and unpretentious. Mercado de San Miguel is one of the many food halls in the city. The options were mouth-watering, but the place was quite packed and touristy, so I did not order anything. The nearby Plaza Mayor was great too, but I was late for the Christmas market, which had concluded before I came to Madrid. One thing to remember though when visiting Spain on the first day of the year: most shops and attractions like museums and monuments are closed since it is a public holiday, so plan accordingly.
Alright, so I'm here at the Chocolateria de San Ginés and the line is too long. Not just that, but there's also over there for takeout and dining in. So I just got myself a nice cup of chocolate with churros for to go. Alright, so let's try it. I'm gonna try it for the first time. So, let's try the churros first. Okay? Nice and crunchy. These are the churros. Okay. Okay. Alright. How about the chocolate? Okay. Let's see the chocolate. Here's the chocolate. Okay. Let's taste it. It's very rich. I like it. Not too sweet. And yeah. It's still very warm. So let's try it with the churro and the chocolate together. Okay. Alright. Perfect combination. Now I can see why this is so popular. Well, aside from the fact that they've been in business for like over 100 years. Yeah. See there? It says there that This place was established in 1894. Good day. Happy New Year. Hola. Today's January 2nd and it's my birthday. I'm 31 years old. Oh my god. But yeah, we're currently here in this charming town of Escorial to visit the Royal Monastery. So I'm not sure if you can actually see it from here, but we will go to that dome over there. Alright, so let's explore this little town.
The historic town of San Lorenzo de Escorial is just an hour away by bus or regional train from central Madrid. For those who are interested in architecture and history, be sure to check this place out.
Okay, we're now here at the Royal Monastery of San Lorenzo de El Escorial. It was built in the 16th century by the Philippines' namesake, King Philip II, to house the royal library and to be the main resting place of the Spanish monarchs. Like, this place is incredibly massive. Take a look at this. Okay, just in time for the bells. It's already 12 in the afternoon.
Alright, so we're now descending to the most important chamber of this vast monastery. The main reason why I got inspired to visit this World Heritage Site is to see this, the Royal Pantheon, where Spanish monarchs starting from the Holy Roman Emperor Charles V are interred. Of course, his son, the Philippines' namesake, King Philip II, also lies here.
Alright, so as you can see, we're in front of the Royal Palace of Madrid. But the thing is, look at this line. Yeah, it goes all the way to the entrance. Okay, so that's the line for those without tickets. Just like me again, who was quite stupid for not buying them online. Alright, so now I'm thinking whether to visit it today or just buy my tickets online and visit it probably next week once I go back here from Portugal. Well, let's see. Alright, there were so many people in Palacio Real de Madrid, so I just decided to go here instead. Alright, welcome to Estadio Santiago Bernabeu, home of Real Madrid. It's quite pricey to get here actually. It costs 25 euros, but it's worth it.
My next goal is to watch an El Clasico match in this stadium, but that will probably cost me an arm and a leg.
Hola, mesa para uno, por favor. Muchas gracias.
Since I was celebrating my birthday in Spain, I decided to splurge a bit by eating at the world's oldest restaurant. It was so cool that even without a reservation, I managed to secure a table next to their famous cellar. I paid 46 euros for the course meal with a bottle of rosé and a dessert.
So I'm currently at the oldest restaurant in the world, Sobrino de Botín. And yeah, I'm so happy that I was able to get a table in this restaurant for my birthday. Yay! The cochinillo, or the roasted suckling pork. It's good. Very crunchy. You hear that? Okay, itadakimasu.
Fun fact, the chef who is responsible for roasting their famous suckling pork is from the Philippines.
Kumusta po?
Thanks for watching my third vlog in Spain. Episode 8 will bring us to Catalunya in Barcelona and Girona. Stay healthy and be safe.